Today is Friday, March 28, 2014, and it turned out to be another good Friday. Wind up making $623 all in one day. Let's take a look at the first trade, which was Twitter, and we're looking at the 45 strike price put option. Sold two contracts at 28 cents, wind up making $48. And Twitter is up 89 cents. The last trade was 47.22, nowhere near the 45 strike price put option that I sold. The second trade I got into was Facebook, and we sold the 59.5 strike price put option. We wound up making $58. Let's take a look where Facebook was at. Facebook is down $1.01. Last trade was 59.97. The third trade I got into was FSLR. We sold the 69.5 strike price put option. We wind up losing $51. Let's take a look where FSLR is at. FSLR is down $1.15. The last trade was 68.60, and it did trigger my stop loss. The fourth trade that I got into was Amazon, and I bought the June 20th 2014 the 335 strike price call option. Now this one expires in 3 months. Now this was a 2-day hold, and I wound up making $446. Now Amazon is down 55 cents. The last trade was 337.92. Earlier this morning it was at 345. Now after about 12:30 it started dropping in price. Now this is why it's real important to place a stop loss before you go to work or before you do anything, and you never know when a stock's going to reverse itself. Let's take a look at a candlestick chart on Amazon. It opened at 338.46 and quickly went up to about 344 and then slowly dropped and then went back up, and around 10 o'clock it hit 346, and that was the high. From that point on it just started dropping and dropping. Around 12:40 it really took a dive down, and it just stayed down for the rest of the day. Now I looked at the news. There was no negative news on Amazon. Why it dropped, only the market maker could tell you. But this is why it's very important that you place a stop loss before you leave, before you go to work, before you do anything. And this is a good point of that, because you never know when a stock's going to reverse itself. The last trade I got into was Amazon again. This time we sold the 330 strike price put option. Wind up making $170. Now it turned out to be a good day. I wish I could have more days like this. If you're interested in trading options, or if you want more information about trading options, go to my website, which is listed right below at www.tradingoptionsoneonone.com. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you there.